to my channel. Yeah, don't mind my eyebrows. I ran out of my normal eyebrow pencil, so I had to use black eyeliner, and they just look a mess. So let's not focus on that, and also let's not focus on my hair, because I'm looking rough, okay? I was on a mini staycation, and I was just in my room and decided to play with my makeup. So what I'm doing today is just a simple everyday look that you can wear without lashes. So I'm starting off with the Juvia's Place palette, the Warrior palette in the color Cano, and I'm just using this color as a transition color, putting it right above my natural crease and blending it into my brow bone. And while I'm doing that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications so you can be the first to know when I'm dropping a new video. And also follow me on all social media networks, or platforms, sorry. And you'll see me going back and forth between both eyes if you see it jump around a bit. Now those eyebrows are just really bothering me, so you'll see me here try to just, fix them and make them look more natural because they're just too dark. I usually use a brown black color, and this is just straight black. So I'm trying to just spoolie them out a bit. And also, if you see my lighting going in and out, that's because I'm using my small ring light in the hotel room, and it wasn't the best lighting, so I do apologize. And I'm just going ahead and just blending out that transition color after I got my eyebrows to look presentable. Now I'm just going in with the Warrior 2 palette in the color Jamata, and I'm using that to deepen my outer crease, like my outer corner, and I'm not taking it all the way over. I'm stopping like in the middle, right in that crease. And don't roast me, y'all. I know I'm looking crazy with this scarf on my head. I'm in between styles, or I was in between styles when I filmed this. And just repeating the process on the other eye. Then I'm just taking my blending brush and just kind of blending out those harsh edges. And now I'm just going back to that Warrior 1 palette in the color Morimi. It's the shimmery light gold color. And I'm just putting that right on my lid, bringing it halfway across my crease to meet that darker brown color. And just pack that color on. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that blending brush. I'm not going to add any more product on it. I'm just going to take it and just blend that color into the brown colors. Just going back and forth, back and forth. and I didn't want to lose any color, so I got some more of that marimi color on my fluffy brush and just packed it onto my lid. Just blended it out some more. Then I'm going to go ahead and just repeat on my other eye. There goes that lighting I was telling you about. It was every time I put the brush to up in front of the camera, it jacked up the lighting. So I was trying to work around it. And then you just blend it until you're satisfied. Now I'm going back in with that color Jamada, and I'm just making that brown color just a little tad bit deeper. I wanted it to pop a little bit more, so I just packed some more into my outer crease. Now I'm just going with that blending brush and blending out any harsh lines. And now I'm going to go in with my NYX liquid liner marker and just do a slight wing, nothing too dramatic. If you are not new to my channel, you know I love a dramatic wing, but for the sake of this being an everyday simple look, I just did a slight wing. I was like, should I do it? Should I do it? I'm not gonna do it. And then I'm just putting on some black eyeliner on my waterline. And then I'll grab a smudge brush and put some of that Jamada color and just smudge it out there. Now I'm just using my Better Than Sex mascara, and I am just packing it on, baby. And what I did not show, I did put the mascara on my bottom lashes too. Since we're not wearing any lashes, we kind of just want them to pop a bit. And for the sake of this video not being long, I went ahead and blended out my foundation off camera. And if we're being honest, I could have blended a little better, but hey, I'm not going anywhere. And now we are moving on to my lips, and I did use my Morphe Date Night lip liner, and I just applied a nude lip. I used a ColourPop nude matte liquid lipstick to top it off. But that is basically it, you guys. There's not much more to this look once I pop on that lipstick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, let me know down in the comments below. You can even roast me down in the comments below for looking a hot mess. That's alright, I'll take it. But I love you guys. Come back and check out some more of my videos. Peace out.